Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
All right, we get started on 24-hour temperature cast. Numbers near 60 early. I think they're going to get into the 80s this afternoon. The cloud cover may have a little something to say about that, and I do expect the clouds to start taking over today with more clouds tonight. That means the overnight temperatures stay even warmer than they are this morning. And this morning, for a lot of us, it's a little bit warm, especially compared to how chilly it might have been over the weekend. Now, you see the clouds already spilling into our part of the southeast. Eastern areas, not maybe as cloudy as some of our western areas, but it's all going to get caught up as all this moves a little bit closer. And it's all really in advance of the next boundary headed our way by Wednesday. That's what will help to shake the showers out of the clouds. Could get some thunderstorms on Wednesday morning also. We're at 60 for Tallahassee and for Valdosta. We've got 59 in Thomasville. If there's a breeze, it's not much, and it's from the south, bringing in more of the warm, more of the humid. Those dew point numbers are way up too, so it's going to start feeling a little different outside today. Maybe you started to notice that yesterday afternoon. That's what's going to continue. Cross City's the cool spot at 55. Dothan, one of the warm ones, at 65, but so many of us starting off right around 60 degrees. I don't expect it to be breezy today, but I do think whatever breeze we do have comes in from the south, and we're likely going to find more fog the next couple of mornings. Now in Quincy, our visibility is down to just 1/4 mile. Perry, Live Oak, Valdosta, all below 1 mile. So yeah, there's some fog out there. You know the vermin are out there lurking, so be careful on the roads. Take it nice and slow. Always low beam headlights in those areas of fog. Lots of clouds taking over, and that's where this moisture comes in. Now way out to the west, this is where the boundary is. Behind the boundary, the air is actually quite a bit cooler. Things are just starting to get organized, and the way it should play out over the next 48 hours or so is as this boundary moves along to the east, it will touch off some showers and storms. I think we could get some significant showers and storms on early Wednesday before it moves out fairly quickly. This is not going to be like last week where it parks over us and we get different ripples of energy that bring us these waves of rain. This should be more of a one-shot deal, in, out, done. A decent soaking with it, maybe a couple of stronger thunderstorms. This time of year, you can never really rule those out, especially when you have warm in place and cooler air tries to mix in. So I do think Wednesday could be a little bumpy early, but hopefully by Wednesday afternoon, we're all done with it and we start to clear out. And it does feel like there's a really nice second half of the week in the forecast, with some cooler temperatures, because that air on the other side, it is cooler than what we're going to experience around here ahead of that boundary. On the Gulf today, warmer, more humid, increasing clouds. We'll keep the breezes from the south, but generally less than 15 knots. It's 50s and 60s this morning. Sun will be up at 7:26. I think this afternoon the warm spots can get to like 82, 83, 84. Maybe not everybody gets that warm. Those clouds are going to get in the way a little bit. Tonight, those clouds mean overnight temperatures stay up. I wouldn't be surprised if a bunch of us stay closer to 65 tonight. And here's that 7-day forecast where the rain chances on Wednesday at least 60 or 70%, but then all gone for Thursday. Lots of sunshine, drier, brighter, cooler for Thursday. Those highs only in the mid-70s with full sunshine, and those lows at the end of the week all the way back down in the 40s.